In this video, our main objective is to explain cell differentiation and specialization. The human body is made up of cells. A cell is the basic unit of life. Each cell is specialized to perform specific functions. Thus, there is a division of labor among the cells. For example, nerve cells are specialized to conduct nerve impulses. And similarly, muscle cells are specific for muscle movement. This ability of cells to perform specialized functions allow them to make different organs of the body and to perform specific functions. Now, this specialization occurs due to cell differentiation. So, what do we mean by cell differentiation? Well, cell differentiation is defined as a biological process in which cells gain specialized functions in the body and change from one cell type to another. Everything in our body, such as nails, hairs, organs, and even blood, is made up of cells. And it is by the process of cell differentiation that embryonic cells are changed to specialized cells. Now, the question is, how do these cells gain differentiation although all are made from the same gene? Well, the answer is, although all cells contain all genes, only certain genes are expressed or switched on in any one cell at any one time. For example, the genes that code for essential chemicals, such as enzymes that are involved in respiration, are expressed in all cells. So these genes are always switched on. Other genes are permanently not expressed or switched off, such as the gene for insulin in cells in the small intestine. And this is how the expression of genes is controlled.